Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is how to change data type from double type to timestamp. So we'll see what is the scenario why we need to change from double to timestamp. If you see my data set, see this is my data set. Here, if you see, I have this many columns. In this, whatever timestamp columns, no? So these columns, these three columns, if you see it reading as a double, okay? And you can see here also, if you see start customer date and end date and last date UTC, okay? So these columns, it reading as a double, okay? So total four columns, here one. Now I want to convert this double type to timestamp. So first of all, what is this values? See, here we are talking about double to timestamp. So, but here we have number. This number, it is in milliseconds format. Okay. So if you see what is milliseconds, this number, no, see total, it will be have total 13 digit numbers. So this is in milliseconds. Suppose if you convert this one by using timestamp underscore millis, you will get this is the date. Okay, first one is a date and this is a timestamp. See about this timestamp underscore millis, I already made one video in my playlist. You can check there how to change from long integers in milliseconds to human readable timestamp format. That means human readable means this one, this format. From this format to this format, how to change it. So this function, when we'll use timestamp underscore millis, when we'll use on this type of milliseconds. Okay, so if our data is reading as long data type, see this is integer, no? Integer, so you should read as long data type. Then only we can convert from long data type to timestamp. But here our scenario is our column reading as double type. Then how to change from double to timestamp using this function timestamp underscore millis. So what is the syntax timestamp underscore millis and expression? What is the expression? This value. If you provide this value, it will give you the timestamp value. So then when what is the real-time scenario? We'll use this one. Okay, so see this data frame anyhow reading as double. Okay, but we need it in long. See, if you see, this is my real-time Avro schema. Okay, my source schema is like this. What is the type? Type is long and logical type is timestamp micros. So that means this value, it is in milliseconds. Okay, so my type should be long, but it is double. So what we'll do, first we'll try using timestamp underscore millis function on all these four columns. Okay, start underscore cast date, end date. Okay, so if you use this one, so here what we are doing, converting columns from double. So double data type, that means value in milliseconds to timestamp. So then it throwing error. So cannot resolve due to data type mismatch. Okay, so the first parameter requires integer type. Okay, however, start this has double. Okay, that means this data type can be either integer. Integral means either integer type or long type. Okay, so then what is the solution? First, we need to change all these columns into long data type. Okay, so what I'm doing, column, I'm doing cast function by using long. Okay, so I'm applying same thing to all columns. So first what will happen? It will change data type from double to long type. Okay. Then on top of that, I'm using this function timestamp underscore millis. So if you apply this, if you observe this columns data type, see this, now it converted to timestamp. Okay, and parallelly, if you see these values, these column values, see these are all converted to timestamp values. These three and this one. Okay, so this how you can convert from double to timestamp. So whenever comes this kind of scenario, first you need to understand how this function works. So that means syntax, what type of data type it allows. Okay, so it allows long data type, actually timestamp underscore millis, but we have double. So I converted first data type to long data type. Then on top of that, I used timestamp underscore millis function. Okay, so in real time, we will get input like this. So this is our format. Uh, okay, so here I mentioned only for one column. So same syntax for other three columns also. So only column name will get changed. Okay, so based on type, you can understand. So what is the input in which format? Timestamp micros. Micros means it is in milliseconds. This number, it is in milliseconds. Okay, so that's all about this video. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.